ever showed anybody me loving up on Puddin. Oh man, my little doodad come apart. Daggone, you ever hate it when your doodad comes apart? Alright. So here's muffler's been took out with the guts took out of it. And I think I got a crack coming in here I'm gonna have to weld up. Of course, it's screen, all that stuff's out of it. Suji bar, 28 inches. Full wrap handle. I like full wrap. A lot of Easterners don't. But I do. Oh, and I take them stickums off there, Husky, if you're watching. Them stickums that get all greasy in your hands. I hate them things. I don't know how bad she's looking in here. If that ain't country, well, it's a messed up. See, look, even got spare parts in there. I get it come off of. I don't know where it came. That's a steel bolt. I had to drill that out, or had to make them threads bigger on that doodad. This is a 2011 Puddin is. This is the original Puddin. The new Puddin got smashed back in 2017. The first few months of 2017. See if my modified screw works. Oh, look at that, going right in. These Huskies are good, but on the 395s you gotta keep them snugged up because the bolts tend to back off on them. Too much power in one little housing. That's what it is. Too much twerk. Twerk, twerk, twerk. Twerk, 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 twerk. And I think my plug wire is starting to get nasty. She's starting to rub through quite a bit in a few places. Oh, and the compression release, yank them out of there. You don't need them. Stuff makes your kids be born naked. Let me show you. Okay. You ever get a Husqvarna that you go to pull on, and it, whoop. Here's what I do to fix it. Take this here, little panthering pea, and just find your little doodads in there. There they are. Well, look at that, would you? Would you? Hey, mister! Oh yeah, well this'll work. The DW30. Here, I'll set y'all still so y'all quit getting dizzy. It's a messed up joke. And I've seen Johnny Cash, fat ain't country. I'll kiss the bottom side of your unit. Alright. What happens is little finger doodads inside there. They get to where they don't spring out. So just take every once in a while, take a little goop right in there. And it's good for your saw. That saw can drink that stuff. That's good for it. It used to have the billow belt dual exhaust. That's why this notch is cut out. But I took that out of there and I ain't gonna play with it. I got enough holes in my muffler to make up for the billow belt exhaust. I guess that's about it. I don't go crazy over the big dogs. But that's a good saw. That saw's cut a lot of wood. She got a lot of the daggone top cover's about to vibrate into her and eat through it. Fat ain't serious right there. Tells you how much vibration it's had over the years. Just kind of eating through itself. Here's a good thing to do in the shop, not in the field. These little springy clip doodads. Like that right there. Fat ain't country. I'll kiss your bottom. Fat ain't country. You better tell it to the Pope. That ain't country, well, it's a messed up joke. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah. You don't want to go too crazy on them springs. I've broken before. Choke lever ain't doing real good. Most all just kind of vibrated. And I've seen Johnny Cash, fat ain't country. I'll whip your bottom. You know it, Charlie? Fat ain't country, I'll kiss your ass. You know it? He ain't listening to me. He's got me zoned out over there. Oh, Charlie. You know it? Gentleman and a scholar. If that ain't country, I'll whip your butt. If that ain't country, you better tell it to the Pope. Well, her's a messed up joke. And I've seen Johnny Cash, if that ain't country, I'll kiss your bottom. Come on, you long-winded son of a biscuit. Oh, yeah? Well, sit still for me, son. Oh, yeah, boy. I'm gonna pull threads out of that next. And I've seen Johnny Cash. Oh, come on. Get all funky waggle on me. Oh, that baby is snug as a bug in a rug. Bug in a rug's pretty snug. I bet this puppy ain't been blowed out in God knows how long. You hear that, still, people? Husky people don't even think about these. Once a day. Whatever. Well, she's a messed up Joe. Look at that, boys. Look at that. Champs Gavarna. That misspelled Champs Gavarna. You see out there, Husky, down there at the Husky Gavarna factory, you misspelled Champs Gavarna. That ain't spelled like that. That ain't country. Well, it's a messed up joke. Let me check my spark plug. It probably been checked in a year and a half. Come here, you. Boy, y'all see this spot we've been a-cutting at. Jeez, my knees. I don't know if you got hills that steep in Oregon, but if y'all do, you got some pretty steep hills. Daggone, that sucked. Oh, look at that plug. Oh, nice. I think it'll be all right. That's good enough for who it's for. I've seen Johnny Cash. If that ain't country, I'll kiss your bottom. Better tell it to the Pope if that ain't country. That's a messed up joke. I've seen Johnny Cash. That ain't country. I'll whip your bottom. Alright, there you are. Champs Gavarna XP stands for Extra Professional. Check out my teepers. What we got going on here. See, we got a chair. It was pulling a little bit in that beech and maple. It wasn't a sucking me through like I like. I'll put a little edge on it. Hey, by golly, just when we got good and started, we finished up. Where it is, I ain't gonna hit my drags. I don't need to. Got them a little aggressive the way it is. I've seen Johnny Cash. Here, you put your lot in there. But she's ready to eat. Ready to eat. Puddin's a hungry gal. I've seen Johnny. Let me wipe that off so y'all know that. You probably didn't know that. Bubba Bam! We was good at one time. Pa-pow! Swing wide when you get around your curves.